Welcome to 124, 2 of 26 Wattle Crescent. This is the one for you. Come and check it out. Set within the highly sought after Parkview Towers, this spacious apartment delivers the perfect balance of lifestyle, convenience and resort style living in the heart of Pyrmont. Designed for effortless urban living, the apartment features generous open plan interiors flowing to a private balcony, ideal for entertaining or relaxing. Well-proportioned bedrooms, quality finishes and excellent natural light create a comfortable and stylish home suited to owner-occupiers and investors alike. Residents enjoy access to the outstanding building facilities including a heated indoor pool, spa, sauna and fully equipped gymnasium and outdoor barbecue entertaining area, all within a secure complex with lift access and on-site management. The location places you moments from the green open space of Wentworth Park, waterfront walks around Black Wattle Bay and the iconic new Sydney Fish Market. Light rail and city buses provide easy CBD access, while the dining, entertaining and nightlife of Darling Harbour and the Star City are just a short stroll away. A superb opportunity to secure a lifestyle apartment in one of Sydney's most vibrant harbourside precincts, with auction day approaching. Thank you for coming on the tour with me. I know you enjoyed it, so I'm looking forward to meeting you at the open homes and good luck at the auction.